Spring is finally here, and you know what that means. It is time to give that makeup bag a little refresh. So today, we're going to dive into Mary Kay's brand new limited edition spring collection. Okay, let's get right into it, starting with a product that is all about that perfect glossy shine. And here it is, the brand new limited edition Mary Kay Unlimited Lip Gloss. We're talking about some serious high-impact shine and absolutely stunning color that gives your lips that luscious, almost wet look. The finish is just beautiful, but the real question is, what are the must-have shades for this spring?
So this season, it's all about 3 new, perfectly curated shades, and each one has its own unique personality. Let's break them down, see what makes each one so special, and help you find your perfect match.
Wow, just look at these colors. On the left, you've got this bold and beautiful cherry red. It's a classic, but with a fun, modern twist. And then on the right, you have the super trendy, cool tone lilac love. I mean, they're total opposites, which means there's a perfect option no matter what mood you're in. Okay, so the big question is, which one is for you? Well, Rose Noir is this deep, sheer berry that honestly looks good on everyone. It's a real go-to for an elegant evening or when you just want a touch of sophistication. Then you have Cherry Red. That's your fun, vibrant pop of color, especially great if you have warmer undertones. And Lilac Love? That's your cool, modern, high-fashion shade for when you're feeling a little adventurous.
And you know, probably the best part, if you're already a fan of Mary Kay's glosses, you're going to be so happy to hear that these new shades have that same amazing formula. That means zero stickiness, no tackiness, your hair will not get stuck in it on a windy day, just a perfectly smooth, glossy finish with just a hint of vanilla.
So, a great formula sounds good on paper, right? But how does it actually perform? Well, let's take a look at what real users had to say in an independent consumer study, because trust me, the numbers are pretty impressive. Okay, get this, 98%. That is a massive number, it's almost unanimous. But what does that actually mean for how the gloss feels when you put it on? It means that a whopping 98% of women in the study said the gloss glides on effortlessly. We're talking about a smooth, luxurious application that just feels like a little bit of pampering every single time you use it. And it doesn't even stop there. Check this out, 96%. And this number is all about how the gloss makes your lips feel after you've already applied it. That's right, 96% of women felt their lips were instantly moisturized. And that's all thanks to it being infused with vitamin C and E. So this gloss is way more than just color, it's actual care for your lips. And the final verdict? A full 90% of women just flat out enjoyed wearing it. And that right there speaks volumes about the whole experience, from the easy application to that comfy, moisturizing feel. But hey, your lips are just the beginning. To get that perfect all-over spring glow, this collection has a few more limited edition goodies that are going to complete your whole look. First up is a product that fans literally wait for every single year, the After Sun Replenishing Gel. Believe me, there's a reason this thing has such a cult following, and it's not just for after a day at the beach. So what's the big deal? Well, it's this incredibly cooling and hydrating gel that's an absolute lifesaver for skin that's been out in the sun, the wind, or even in a chlorine pool. It's not sticky or greasy, it just sinks right in and it sells out every single year. So if you want to get your hands on it, you gotta be quick. All right, next up, let's talk about getting that perfect sun-kissed look with the new limited edition bronzers. It's time to fake a beautiful vacation glow without ever leaving your house. So you've got 2 shades to choose from, medium glow and deep glow, so it's easy to find your match. The formula is this gorgeous mix of matte with just a little hint of gold shimmer, so you get this natural, healthy radiance, not a glitter bomb. It's super blendable and looks great at any age. A little pro tip, just a light swirl on the high points of your face, cheekbones, forehead, bridge of the nose is all you need. Okay, before we wrap things up, I have an insider secret for you. It's a skincare product that will take your spring glow to a whole other level because it makes sure the skin underneath your makeup is just as radiant. This is the Mary Kay Hydrating Cream Mask, and let me tell you, it's a total game changer. It's an intensive treatment that you don't even have to rinse off. You can wear it overnight or even use it as a primer under your makeup. We're talking a 20-minute moisture surge and up to 12 hours of non-stop hydration. So you might be thinking, what's the difference between a mask like this and my everyday moisturizer? It's pretty simple. Think of your moisturizer as daily maintenance. It protects your skin and keeps it balanced. A mask, on the other hand, is an intensive treatment. It just floods your skin with a way more concentrated dose of moisture and ingredients for that instant plumping and glowing effect. And the magic really comes down to the ingredients. You've got shea butter, which is amazing for deep nourishment. Then there's glycerin, which is basically a moisture magnet for your skin. And, of course, the superstar, hyaluronic acid, which plumps and hydrates your skin for that dewy, youthful look we all love.